Hey everyone, beautiful day. So I tried to test the amperage coming out of my 185 watt solar panel, and what I found out is that while I could pull voltage from my voltmeter, I was not able to get the amperage. So as I found out, I have some fuses that I can replace. I actually have them over here, and I'll allow this to focus some, but there is absolutely nothing on this one, and well, we can't see through that one. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back together and we'll see if we can pull some amperage. The sun is pretty bright out right now, and I was getting 43 volts, so I'll be right back as soon as I put my voltmeter back together. Alright, so before we go any further, I actually thought I'd test the fuses, and obviously I couldn't find any filaments, but if we put the voltmeter, let's see if you can see, if you put the voltmeter on the sound setting and you press select a few times, then you'll get the audible alarm right there. And nothing. So we'll disconnect you. Nothing. As you can see on this one, we can see that the filament is still in there. Alright, that sound means that fuse is good. So I can finish buttoning this up, and we can go back to testing on the solar panel. Alright, so we're back. So here is the solar panel. It's a soap gray 185 watt 37 volt 5 amp 44 volt open circuit, and this is from, if I can get that to focus, SR 122811. That tells me it was made December 28, 2011. These panels I picked up, they're a brand new in-box for $200. And I say these because I picked up 8 of them. And right now this is just laying on the house, and I'm getting 40 volts. Earlier I was getting a little bit higher. That's pretty good. These panels were in their box. They had really not done anything. I was the one who first pulled them out, and I just I'm testing with these. The plan is to pick up a 300 watt solar panel. Let's see if I can get this to focus, so I can get it on my Land Rover right here. Oh, come on. And it's going to go on the roof rack. I can put this rigid panel on the roof rack. However, it is one, a little bit too heavy, and two, I think I'd end up destroying it. If I ever did want to put stuff on the roof rack, where I think the flexible ones will allow me to do more. So I'm going to go ahead and power this off. I'm going to switch the rating, and we're going to check amperage. And we're doing 5 amps, 5.21 amps. And this says it'll do 5.92. That's really good. I'm pretty excited over this. So I'm going to go ahead and unplug this. I actually sold this array to one of my buddies, and he's going to build a tiny home and power it with this off-grid. That's going to be pretty cool. So we have it plugged back in. to the power inverter. And I was charging it earlier. Unfortunately, I think that it is fully charged. Yep, it's fully charged. Either way, I picked up 8 of these charge controllers and a few other things for $200. Not a bad deal at all. That's going to allow my friend to start on his tiny home project, and it gets me something to look forward to with this beast. So my Land Rover's got a 3-inch lift, mud tires, metal bumpers front and back, tree sliders, or rock sliders I should say, 12,000 pound winch. I can't wait to go back out. I always look forward to the events. And then the tow rig is an '09 Tahoe. Unfortunately, it is gas, but it gets the job done.